I'm Ren Camacho, President and CEO of the Akron-Canton Airport. The well-being of our travelers, personnel, and all CAK customers remains our top priority. We've implemented a number of preventive efforts throughout CAK to mitigate the spread of COVID-19. Mitigation efforts include increased cleaning, social distancing markers, reduced seating, acrylic shields, and touchless automatic hand sanitizer stations. Additionally, we strongly encourage the traveling public and those who are supporting our tenant partners to wear a face covering while in our facility. If you're picking up a passenger, please wear a face covering within the facility or remain in your vehicle to help limit the number of passengers that are non-ticketed in the terminal. Passengers are required to wear face coverings aboard all aircraft that depart and arrive at CAK. Likewise, CAK employees are required to wear face coverings like myself. We ask that everyone do their part to make the experience at CAK safe and enjoyable. We look forward to ensuring CAK travelers experience a better way to go as traffic ramps up. Thank you.